Welcome back to another video for HarborFinancialOnline.com. Today I'm going to be talking about the 1040 tax form, which is the tax form just about everyone files out there. There are different versions of the 1040. The 1040 Easy, the 1040 NR, but I'm going to go through the 1040 with you guys and try to simplify it for you people out there that are new to the 1040 and just trying to find how to file it and what's required of you. So let me get the video going here. So if you have a federal tax refund owed you, you should be filing this tax return, the 1040. If you've never filed and say your income is very low, but you have a refund, you had tax withheld, you should file no matter what, even if you aren't required, because that's the only way you're going to get the money back. If you have a child or children in college and are paying expenses for them, you can qualify for deductions if you file a tax return. So again, if you may not be required, you're not always required to file a tax return based on your income level, but if you're paying some of these expenses for a child or dependent, you should be filing the return. As a parent, you can include your child's income on your 1040 so they don't have to file a tax return. So if your child had a job and they had tax withholdings, you don't want them to be filing a tax return. You can include them on yours if they're a qualified dependent. If you are a resident alien or non-resident alien or dual status alien, filing a tax return can get a little bit hard for some of you out there that are new to this. You're going to need to file the 1040 NR or the 1040 NR Easy, and I do have videos on this, so I'd recommend going to YouTube, punching in the 1040 NR, and you'll find that. Publication 519 on the IRS website is really good to look at for the alien status filing a tax return, so that's another site I would check out. On our site, HarborFinancialOnline.com, if you're curious what your refund might be or your taxes owed, we have an online tax calculator. We'll get you instant results of what your refund might be, so I recommend that. The 1040 tax form is due April 15th. Now, if April 15th falls on a holiday or a weekend, it does get pushed forward to the next day, so it can be the 16th, 17th, whatever happens if it's a weekend. You can file an automatic extension and get until October 15th to file your return. This is a guaranteed extension. You can just file, as long as you file this postmarked by April 15th, you'll get an extension to October 15th. But the rules on this, a lot of people don't understand. You can get that extension from April 15th on to October 15th, but if you owed tax at April 15th and you extended it, you still owe that tax, and they're going to start calculating interest on that tax owed from April 15th until you file your return. So how this is going to impact you is, say you get the extension, you owe $2,000. You extended it, you don't file your return until September. Well, you're going to owe interest on that money all the way till September is how that works. So it's something to keep in mind. Here's our site, HarborFinancialOnline.com. I recommend checking this out. You can use the calculator that I talked about and prepare the return directly online through our site. That calculator is free and it's very easy to use. And I want to take you to the 1040. Scroll down here. Now, if you do the return online electronically, it's going to bring in the 1040 for you guys. Okay? So you don't have to worry about bringing in the form. It's going to automatically bring it in electronically, and you can e-file it. So this is your normal 1040 if you haven't seen one. You do have a 1040 Easy and a couple other versions that are less information and just not quite as long as in detailed. So this is your normal 1040. Again, this is why I recommend doing the return online You do not even have to look at this form. It's going to fill it out for you, all the boxes, and submit it. And again, here's our site, harborfinancialonline.com. I appreciate you watching the video. I hope you check out some of my future videos. I do already have a lot on YouTube. We have well over 100. And I'm going to continue to bring new videos as the tax laws changes and the requests come in for videos. And thank you, and we'll see you later.